everybody, and welcome to Photography 101 with David Hancock. I am David Hancock, YouTube's photography professor. This is the last video in the Photography 101 course. So I do hope that this has been an incredibly helpful year for you. I hope that whatever assignments you were able to do or complete or participate in improved you and your ability to be a photographer. They all aimed to help you improve and speak with your creative vision so that you could better tap into that part of you that is speaking through your photographic work. So the last assignment here for Photography 101 is going to be a course portfolio. Take all of the photos that you took for this course, which should be, if you did 35 to 36 a month, what's that? 360 plus 72, 400 and change, 436-ish ballpark. You should have a few more than 400 photos from this year. You're going to pick the best 10. Not even one per month. That's right. You're going to go through all of the photos you took for just this course. You will pick the 10 that are your best, and that will be your course portfolio. Yes. It's hard. It is hard every year to sit down and pick your best work, or any time that you feel you need to. But it's an important skill to learn as a photographer, to get rid of that emotional connection to your own work and to look critically at it to figure out what is truly the best. So when you finish your portfolio and you have 10 photos and no more selected, hashtag P101WDH for Photography 101 with David Hancock. Give me an @ those are your Instagram instructions. Or if you can't or don't use Instagram, just share a link to an online hosted album in the comments section of this video. I'll approve that link and look at it. And I will be doing my darndest to comment on every single submission for this portfolio. So this is the end of Photography 101. I really do hope it's been helpful. Leave me any comments or suggestions or thoughts you have about this course, especially if you've participated all year. Let me know what really helped you and what things you felt didn't help you as much. And I look forward to reading those and hopefully seeing some significantly improved photography from those of you who have been able to participate throughout the course of this year. Take care, and I will see you maybe someday if I'm able to do this again.